Hey y'all! Today I want to share with y'all some cleaning motivation. If you're like me, you're trying to stay in and trying to stay quarantined, so I'd like to share with y'all some cleaning motivation to get you motivated to get some stuff done today. Today I'm going to be sharing how I use Barkeeper's brand. This video is not sponsored. I just love Barkeeper's brands. I've been using it for years. I've used other products that are similar to it, but I seem to always come back to Barkeeper's brand just because it works the best. It works great on stainless steel, as you're going to see in this video, but it also works great on porcelain or ceramic. So I used to have a cast iron sink. It was in an old farmhouse, so it was like a real old cast iron sink that it was porcelain coated or ceramic, I'm not really sure, but it was always really scratched up and would get stained very easily. It had been used like a lot throughout the years, so it would stain really easily, and this was the only thing that would get it white again and make it look clean. So every so often I do like to deep clean my sink, as well as take everything off of it and wash like my soap dispensers and my lotion dispenser, because if you're touching those with dirty hands, they're obviously going to get dirty as well. And also I just like to clean everything on the sink and around the sink, because whenever you're washing something, of course it splatters. So I definitely want to sanitize that area and make sure it's all clean. Next, I'm going in with my DIY disinfecting wipes I just recently made. I have a video on that. If you haven't watched it, you should. About once a year, I like to shine up my pots and pans. For some reason, they get this cloudy stuff on them, and just over time, they just get that cloudiness on them. I don't know if it's like hard water, but I like to clean that off. I feel like it just gets it really clean and shiny, and it makes it more enjoyable to work with them. So I like to clean that off and just make them look nice. I don't know about you, but this is so satisfying to me, just to make things look super nice and shiny. So the next thing I'm going to be cleaning are my Rada knives. So I have done quite a bit of them already, but I just wanted to show at least one on camera to where you can see how clean they can get. Over time, they do get oxidized if you put them in the dishwasher, but I'm the kind of person, if it doesn't go through the dishwasher, I don't want it. Except my wooden spoons. I will wash those by hand, but I do like putting things in the dishwasher, so I will over time have some buildup on my knives, so I'll just scrub that off. I will let that sit for a bit because that does get to working on that oxidation and it helps out a bunch. But also my coffee mug. Hard water, I guess, makes that coffee stain in the cup, and I like to get that out. I mean, who wants to drink out of a cup that has that stain in it? I mean, it's a lot nicer once it's super white and pretty. If you've made it this far in the video, consider smashing that like button to let me know you like this type of video, because I know that I'm the type of person that loves watching these types of videos. But I'd like to know if you like these types of videos as well. Well, that's all I have for y'all today. Thank y'all so much for watching.